I am sick and tired of staying at Serbia for too long. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to escape from Serbia by sneaking into an airplane.
Welcome to Serbia Airlines Flight 36 to Goaniville. The flight will take 13.5 hours. Enjoy the flight. We have now arrived at Goaniville. Thank you for traveling with Serbia Airlines. We hope you enjoy the flight. Have a good day.
Finally. I am back at Goaniville. So long, Serbia.
Pink Fire Bro. How did you come back from Serbia? Did you escape from it?
As a matter of fact, yes. I escaped from Serbia by sneaking into an airplane.
What? Oh my god. I cannot believe you escaped from Serbia by sneaking into an airplane. That's it. You're grounded for 10 days. Now go to your room now. Or else I will send you to Indonesia.
Wow.